Hey friends, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a recent trade-in that we just took. This is a 2022 Mastercraft X24. This boat only actually has 80 hours on it. It was used on freshwater Lake Kiwi, stayed on a lift under a covered dock, and we did all the maintenance on it. And it also includes the trailer. This is the showcase of used boats. It is absolutely flawless, extremely well taken care of. I would almost venture to say showroom condition, and it's got all the features that you're gonna want to have an awesome time on the water with a huge surf wave. Come on to the back of the boat and let me show you a couple of the features. This boat has the swim platform, the ladder, the underwater lights, the surf system. It's got the nice transom lounge seating, which when we get inside, I'll be able to show you a little bit better. But speaking of getting inside, why don't you hop up inside and take a look with me. Now that we're inside, I can show you guys a couple of the features and the versatile seating arrangement that this boat offers. Up here in the bow, we have a huge wraparound bow with things like flip down armrests and a bow filler cushion. And there's even LED color lighting and slots to charge your phone. This boat does have the air dam door. As you walk to the back of the boat, you'll see it has a huge wraparound seating arrangement. And when I was telling you about the versatile seating arrangements, this is what I was talking about. You have pop-up backrests on either side of the boat. You have a reversible rear-facing transom seat. And this can also be made to convert to a pad. This boat has rear-facing transom seats as well with the pop-up backrests. It actually even has kick-out footrests as well. Also has another huge amount of features in it. It has the heater system, a couple of those throughout the boat. Even has a passenger and driver side heated seat. Has the premium stereo upgrade with 2 subwoofers and 2 sets of tower speakers. And that's just to name a few of the options. In addition to all the other features of this boat has the dual screen dash, really versatile dash as well. It's got the GPS up here on the front, which you can expand to go full screen. You've got the rear facing camera so you can easily see your riders and other critical information about the boat. You can control all your radio and controls right here from the dash as well. And then switching over to this controls, here's where you can turn on your heated seats, your heater system, turn on the bilge pumps, personalize your stereo, and this is also where you control all the towboat aspects of the boat for surfing and wakeboarding. All really intuitive and easy to use. Love to show you more about this boat if you can come see it here at MarineMax in Greenville.